Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be addressing a common issue that many Google Chrome users face: slow downloading. If you're frustrated with the sluggish download speeds in Chrome, don't worry because we have a solution for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to fix this problem. Step 1. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is the More menu. Click on it to expand the options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. Step 4. On the settings page, locate the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Then, in the right-hand pane, click on Security. Step 5. Under the Advanced Settings section, you will find an option labeled With. Check the circle next to it. Step 6. After checking the With circle, a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, select Google Public DNS. This will configure Chrome to use Google's public DNS, which can help improve download speeds. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the issue of slow downloading in Google Chrome by configuring the DNS settings. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your slow download speed issue. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.